Hi everyone. We are now finally publishing this demo on our GitHub repository of the Mac organization in the example apps repository. And this agent tooling demo application has been recently posted on the YouTube channel. And since then, we received a lot of requests to publish the Mule application and code behind it. So users can see how we implemented the dynamic tooling part here. So basically, what this application does is it allows you to add MCP servers here and test them in different modes to understand the reasoning behind it. Because at the end of the day, it's important to see the tooling available and how the semantics behind the toolings and the parameter has been added to improve the agent reasoning, but also on the lowest level, the function call reasoning, try to understand how function calling works, and same for MCP tooling and its reasoning and the augmentation of MCP tool execution. So the demo is available on the YouTube channel. This is just a tutorial to show you how you set it up. So we have published it here on our example app GitHub repository. There's a PR which will be merged very soon into masters. But for now, we are going to clone that develop branch and see how we can um, use it in Anypoint Studio. Just let me close Studio so we will launch the right workspace. So in our MCP catalog, let me go here and put it there. So I have here the branch. I'm currently on a local folder. I would like to clone, that's the wrong branch. So I need to add the branch to develop. That's where the latest push happened. So develop, and that's it. So it will clone that develop branch, and now I can open the workspace in that specific branch. So let's go here. So this is my workspace. You see we cloned all the projects, so I will be just focusing on this MCP catalog background. So let's open it here. So this is the way you should see it or receive it. It should be empty. The first step you have to do is you have to open the Mule project from file system. So you can go to open from file system, and instead of going here, you go to show other specialized import wizards, and you select the Anypoint Studio from file system. Then you go to the project root, which is here. And now you can say, this is what I want to open in Anypoint Studio. So it will open. For some reason, this dialog doesn't close, so you cancel it. And the first thing, and I think the only thing you have to do, is you have to rename the config properties.example file and just say it's an example file. And now you have to just provide one single LLM provider here, or you can also provide all of them. I will provide all of them and enter it here. And once this is done, you can already start the application. So let me quickly do it, and I'll be back. So you can see I've already entered these information, so I will save the file, and that's probably it. What I need to do as next step is just run it locally. So just hit the run button. It should deploy without any issues. Just make sure you are on Java 17 and you have the latest runtime here, 499. That should be the prerequisite. But the moment it's deployed, you should be able to access it from your local browser by entering localhost. Where is it? Localhost. The URL is localhost/ui/index.html, and this application should be open. You see there's no servers added, so you can try to add a single server. This is a mocked server, so if you want to use it, you can try this one as well. Add it, see if here is 0, make sure to just provide the URL. Don't add the MCP endpoint here, just the deployed URL of your MCP Cloud Hub server. Then you can explore the tools which are available as well as the parameters. and you are good to go. So you can go into function calling mode, check out the way the tools are being used or recommended. In this case, it's no execution, it's just reasoning and selection. If you go into MCP tooling mode, it will be then really the reasoning plus the execution, which shows you the result of the plain API. And if you go into agentic mode, you can basically receive the same result, but it's augmented and it's even able to cover more complex queries. And once you have done this, I think the application is ready to use. You can add multiple MCP servers here and see how the agent is being executed, is able to reason upon the different tools you provide. So you can test out your semantics and improve the way the interaction with agents will work. So that's basically it. We also have here some settings. We are saving a lot of things here on the local browser settings, so you can at any time clear the data, as well as here different logs which are provided for you to understand how semantics has been performed by using the different models. You can really deep dive a little into what is being used and provided here. All right, so that's it from my side. The application is available on the GitHub repository under example Mule apps. So have fun.